I'm going to talk about a couple other steps for developing a quality persona, right? This workshop is just the bridge, like the tip of the iceberg. And so it's definitely a more intentional, in-depth process for doing so. All right, so identifying your goals and objectives that align with your program or that align with your organization or even your grant funded objectives. Okay, because some of these efforts are grant funded and they must be in alignment with that grant for you to maintain that funding or to maintain that grant. Okay, and so that's really important, identifying the goals and objectives, defining your target audience. Who am I supposed to serve with this program or service? Where are they located? What's the age range? What are their frustrations? The very specific things. Because if your program, for example, is just to serve, if you say that your program is to serve Black women, well, there's all types of Black women out there. There's Black women with babies. There's Black women living in different geographical areas. Being very specific to define your target audience. Also, conduct research and collect data, right? Utilizing primary, secondary, tertiary research methods to bring your persona to life, right? Not just depending on our own beliefs, experiences, or even just our colleagues' beliefs, experiences, because that's a major barrier to improving access and health outcomes as well, because there's that gap between what we believe and what our target audience needs, okay? So then with that, we create and validate our persona. How do we validate our persona? We create it, we go through those first 3 steps, and then we start talking to the community. We start talking to the people that we're supposed to serve with our program or service. And we ask them, hey, look at this. This is something that we're developing. Hopefully nothing here offends you, but we're really trying to understand our target population or the people that we serve, because we try not to use those same words, our target population, when we're talking to the community. And so you work with them, you have those conversations through those key informant interviews to help validate that profile so that you can have effective efforts going forward, right? And then utilize that persona in the program development, implementation, and evaluation phases and maintenance. And then monitor changes and update regularly. Okay, so that's really important with the ever-changing needs, the environmental needs, the policy changes, right? There's a lot of policies that have been passed, laws that are affecting people. The goal is to make sure that this is shaped for people that we're supposed to be serving with our program or our service. Okay, so monitor those changes and the policies and systems and environmental changes, and then update those things regularly. And everyone, the team, internal, external partners should be on par with those changes and why.